All right. Today we're talking. We're talking about unit fractions today. The question that we need to be asking ourselves is, how can unit fractions give us the amount of a set? All right, so unit fractions are going to tell us the amount of a set. Now, the definition I had you write up here earlier, it says a unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator. Numerator would be what? Raise your hand. Raise. Anaya. Okay, so the one that's being described, and that number typically at the top or the bottom? Top. Top, very good. So the numerator of 1. So if you look right here on my example, I got 1/3, 1/5, 1/8. What's the name of the young lady who I said should represent the numerator because of her colorful hair? Just like how we color things in, we show a numerator. Aaron? Nikki. Yes, all right. The bottom, what was his name? He's always holding it down. Equal pieces. What do we call him? He represents the denominator, Torrance. Drake, Drizzy Drake. Very good. All right. Now, if you look up here on the board, I have some circles, okay? Now, I want to take these. I'm going to show you how to do this. You no need to write this down. Just simply watch what I'm doing. I want to find out what 1/4 of these many circles are. So the first thing I need to do is count these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I got 12. 12 is my total. I want to take 1/4 of 12. Now, I told you earlier when we talked about fractions, the denominator tells equal what? Equal groups. Very good. So we got equal groups. I need 4 equal groups to divide this 12 up into to figure out what 1/4 would be. Notice I said divide. It came back. Remember, I've been telling y'all we need to keep practicing our division. So you can take 4 groups
to make 12.
and I can split 12 up across them. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Help me out.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Great. All right. Now, if I look up here, I see that I got 3, 3, 3, and 3. So I know that 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So that also means 1/4 of 12 is what? Someone raise your hand and tell me now. Is what, Avenue? Sorry, Nakai. 1/4 of 12 is 3. Very good, all right? Same thing. Whenever you're doing this, the greatest thing I can give you is to take the denominator and divide it across the total. So figure out what your total is, find your denominator in the unit fraction, divide it, okay? Now, I want you guys to help me do another one. Now, I want you guys to do this. 1/4 of 16. I want you guys to take 20 seconds to look at that quietly. 20 seconds, look at that quietly. I want you to attempt to do it on your paper, quietly. Do not ask for help. Do not ask the person next to you. I want to see what you know first before we start asking other people for help and doing the pair share. Take your time. Look at it. I left you an example of how I did that first one. All right, so 1/4 of 16. All right, so now the first thing I'm going to ask, my first question, if you're still working, keep working, just listen as I speak. The first question, 1/4 of 16. What is my amount of equal parts based off of what they gave me? How many equal parts do I need to break this up into? Trey Smith.
4.
I need to break it up into 4. How do you know that I need to break it up into 4?
Because it's a 1/4 of 16.
1/4 of 16. Excellent job. All right, now, what's my total that I'm breaking up into these 4 pieces that Mr. Smith just told us? Diamond. 16. So I need to break 16 evenly across how many pieces, Trey?
1/4.
1/4. So 4 equal pieces splitting 16 across. Okay? So, for those of y'all who haven't done that yet,
I did.
it looks something similar to this. You got 4, our total. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
All right. So we got all our total across. 4, 4, 4, 4. That's equal. So I know that 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So that means also 1/4
16
equals somewhere right here. Tell me. Everybody hold up in the air. Show me the answer in there. Fingers. Wave it to the left. Wave it to the right. Wave it up, down, because you just got it right. Okay, all right. So 1/4 of 16 equals 4. If you take the denominator and split it across the total, that will give you the correct answer. Very good. Now, what I want you to do, quietly open up your Envision books. Please make it quiet.
I knew it was one.
Please make it quiet.
So this is part of our lesson, right? Yeah.